皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn different type of telling the time, such as around or quarter to in Japanese. If you haven't learned the basic telling time yet, please check out my previous lesson videos. では始めましょう。Let's get started. So, the previous lesson, you have learned the basic telling time. So, let's recap first. So, if you want to say this time, how do you say this? So, this is 4 o'clock and 8 minutes, which is 4時8分. That's how we say that. The next exercise, if you want to say 7:53, it's we don't know AM PM, but just without it. 7:53 is 7時53分. Okay. Sometimes I got asked about how to say quarter to or quarter past. So in Japanese, we don't say quarter or quarter past. So we just state the time. So there are other phrases which indicate the time is near or around or a certain hour. So that's today's learning. So for example, quarter past 3 is we say 3時15分. So you state 3 o'clock, 3時, then 15 is 15, then you add 分. So 3時15分. Then quarter to 3, which is 2時45分. Then before 3 o'clock, 3時前. So before means 前, vocabulary 前. Then past or maybe after 3 would be 3時過ぎ. 3時過ぎ. Then almost or it will be 3 o'clock soon would be soon in Japanese. It's もうすぐ. So you can say もうすぐ3時. So the position is before number if you want to say もうすぐ3時. Then around 3 o'clock is 3時ぐらい or 3時くらい. Both ぐらいくらい both are okay. So that's the different way of saying the time. So let's practice. Repeat after me. 3時15分. 2時45分. 3時前. 3時過ぎ. もうすぐ3時. 3時ぐらい or 3時くらい. はい。So that's for today's lesson. Well done with your practice. So have you learned how to say time in Japanese? 見てくれてありがとう. Thank you so much for watching. もしもっと学びたかったらオンラインコースをチェックしてみてください. If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you will have access to all lesson videos and can ask any questions related to Japanese. Please check the description for more details. それではまたお会いしましょう。さようなら。